crow on getting on the couch now. It's dark in here. You want to show everyone again? Come here, Tiara. Get down. Show everyone how you get down. Come here, Tiara. Tiara, come here. Come here. Look, Tiana. Never heard another Tiana on the TV before. Come here. Come here. Show everyone how you get down. Come here. Come here, Tiara. Go. Come here, Tiara. We like to be dangerous on the couch, huh? We know how to. Nothing can stop us now, huh? Come here, Tiara. Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. Show everyone how you get off. And Tiana shows how she dances to Barney. Sit. Do not stand on the couch like that. Sit down. And Tiana can't do it, so she's jealous. You're going to have to figure it out. Here. Yeah, I want everyone to see how you do it again. Come on. Go. You're amazing. You mastered it in one day. You big girl. Tiana, can you do it? You want to try? Not that I want another child to kill themselves on the sofa, but look, this is what Tiara does. Look. She puts her leg up here and goes. There you go. You did it. Oh, yay. Let's have both my children kill themselves. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Just to the camera, not to me. Good job.